Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to turn off or on the allow your video to be downloaded in your TikTok accounts. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to TikTok application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your TikTok homepage, okay, click the me on the lower right side on your screen. And after that guys, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings in privacy, in account, okay, you can see the privacy. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in privacy, scroll down. And okay, here in safety, okay, you can see the allow your video to be downloaded. So okay, you'll have to do is click the allow your video to be downloaded. Okay guys, here you can see the on and off, and okay, you can set by off or you can set by on. So okay guys, I set in off. Okay, your video is not downloaded. So okay guys, that's it, and if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.